Hello student. Now today we learn statement pattern. Yes, letters used to denote statements are called statement letters. We know that which are the statement letters we have to use already. P, Q, R, etc. Okay. Proper combination of statement letters and connectives is called a statement pattern. Statement pattern is also called as a proposition. Observe some examples for statement patterns. P implies Q. So in this statement pattern, here there is a combination of letter and connective. Which connective apply here? Implication. Which letters are there? P, Q. Okay, next P and Q. Negation P or Q are statement patterns. Okay, and P and Q are their prime component. Next, truth table. A table which shows the possible truth values of a statement pattern obtained by considering all possible combinations of truth values of its prime component is called the truth table of the statement pattern. Now suppose statement pattern is given, then we can construct its truth table. Okay, so observe, suppose P and Q, there are two statement letters. So there are four rows. P always 2 times T, 2 times F. Q always alternate T, F, T, F. P and Q. This is the statement pattern. Then we know that in between P and Q there is a logical connective AND. Yes, so remember in mind, AND means T, 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 otherwise false. So T and T, T, T and F, F, F and T, F, F and F, F. Okay. Next, logical equivalence. Two statement patterns are said to be equivalent if their truth tables are identical. If statement pattern A and B are equivalent, we write it as A. Logically equivalent, B means there are three horizontal lines. Okay, suppose for example, P and Q logically equivalent, negation in bracket P implies negation Q. Yes, so here LHS statement pattern and RHS statement pattern, and show that LHS statement pattern is logically equivalent to RHS statement pattern. Yes, how to show that? See the table by using truth table. Okay, so observe here. Here we write the column numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay, then there are, observe the in statement pattern. Yes, what's your observation? There are two statement letter P and Q. So there are four rows. P 2 times T, 2 times F. Q alternate T, F, T, F. Yes, observe in statement pattern negation is there. Yes, for the Q negation is there, so we make one more column for negation Q. We know that negation means to true become false, false become true. So see the column Q and write from Q negation Q. Okay, then go to the LHS statement pattern. Yes, in LHS statement pattern we want P and Q. Okay, P and Q. Yes, and is there. So T and T, T, otherwise false. Observe P and Q. Yes, so LHS statement pattern is over. Then go to the RHS. Yes, in RHS, first we make a column for P implies negation Q. Yes, implication is there. So be careful because in implication, order is important. Okay. So see the column P first and then see the column negation Q. We know that in implication T implies F is F, otherwise true. Yes, so observe column number P and column negation Q. T implies F, F. T implies T, T. F implies F, T. F implies T, T. Okay, and then in the last column, RHS statement pattern, negation in bracket, P implies negation Q. Yes, P implies negation Q. So here write the negation of P implies negation Q. So F becomes T, T becomes F, T becomes F and T becomes F. Then yes, LHS statement pattern present in column number 4 and RHS statement pattern present in column number 6. So what's your observation? The entries in the column number 4 and 6 are identical. Hence, given statement pattern P and Q logically equivalent, negation in bracket P implies negation Q. This is called the logical equivalence. Okay. Then see the tautology, contradiction and contingency. Yes, tautology. A statement pattern which always take truth value T, whatever be the assignment of the truth values to its potent statement is called tautology. So observe for example P or negation P. Yes, it's a tautology. Yes, see the truth table. Yes, in P or negation P there is only one statement letter P is present. So in this truth table there are two rows. So P is only T F. Then what is negation P? Opposite F T. Then P or negation P. Disjunction in between P negation P. We know that disjunction F F F otherwise true. So T F true, F T true. See the entries in the last column are all T. Hence given statement pattern is a tautology. Okay, next contradiction. A statement pattern whose truth value is false for all possible combination of truth values of its prime component is called a contradiction. Yes, we denote contradiction by C. Statement pattern P and negation P is a contradiction. Yes, only one statement letter is there. So P is T F. Negation P is F T. P and negation P. Yes, and T T T otherwise false. So T F F F T F. So entries in the last column are all F. Hence it is a contradiction. Next, contingency. A statement pattern which is neither a tautology nor a contradiction is called a contingency. See the example P and Q. Yes, in this statement pattern there are two letters. So definitely in truth table there are 4 rows. P is always 2 times T, 2 times F. Q alternate T, F, T, F. Then P and Q. Yes, and is there. So T, 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 otherwise false. See, the last entry is P and Q in statement pattern. There are mix. T is present, F is also present. Hence, it is called a contingency. Means it is neither a tautology nor contradiction. Okay. Next. Yes. Question. Construct the truth table for each of the following statement. Yes, in this question, only construct truth table. Okay. First, P implies Q implies P. Yes. So there are only two statements later. Then there are four rows. P is always TTFF. Q is always TFTF. Yes, negation. The term in negation is not there. So here we have to select next column by observation. Yes, which column we have to select? Yes, Q implies P. Again remember, Q implies P. If implication is there, then order is important. First see column Q, then see column P. So here Q implies P. Okay. So first see column Q and then P. T implies T, T. F implies T, T. Yes, T implies F, F. F implies F, T. Okay. And then last column is whole statement pattern. P implies in bracket, Q implies P. Yes, this. So already P is there and Q implies P is already there. Then take between implication between P, Q implies P. Yes, see the column P and then see the column Q implies P. Yes, T implies T, T, T implies T, T, F implies F, T, F implies T, T. So, this is the only truth table for statement pattern. But now, suppose in this question they ask, what's your justify? Justify. So, what's your justification? Anybody tell? Yes. Means here by observation, here entries in the last column all T. So what's your justification? This statement pattern is a tautology. Okay. But now in our question, only construct, prepare truth table. Okay. Next. Yes. Observe this truth table. Negation P or Q, double implication, negation in bracket P and Q. Again there are two statements later. P 2 times T, 2 times F. Q alternate TF, TF. Yes, observe. We want in statement pattern negation P. So we make a separate column for negation P. So see the column P and from P write its negation, negation P. Yes, so by observation, which is the next column? Yes, next column is negation P or Q. See the column negation P. Then column Q or is there. Disjunction. So in disjunction FFF, otherwise true. So TFT, FFF, TTT, FTT. Yes, by observation. Then next column is by observation P and Q. Okay. See the column P, then see the column Q and take between and. And means T, T, T. Otherwise false. Yes, then which is the next column? Negation in bracket P and Q. So take the negation of the column P and Q. And last is represent whole statement pattern. Negation P or Q, double implication, negation in bracket P and Q. Okay, there is a mistake here. Here we want negation. Okay, so here the mistake. Here we want negation in bracket P and Q. Okay, so see the column negation P or Q. Then see the column negation in bracket P and Q, and in between there is a double implication. We know that double implication TTT FFT, otherwise false. If both values are same, then double implication is true, otherwise false. Okay, so see the column number 4 and column number 6. Take between double implication TF F FT F TT T TT T. Okay, next. Yes, I think you have to try yourself. Next. Okay, then yes, observe these. So in this statement pattern, P in square bracket P and Q or R square bracket complete, and in square bracket negation R or P and Q bracket complete. Yes, in this statement pattern there are three letters P, Q, R. If there are three letters at that time, truth table contains 8 rows. Yes, P is always 4 times T, 4 times F. Q is always 2 times T, 2 times F. R is always alternate TF, TF. Okay, then see in this statement pattern negation term. Which negation term is present? Yes, R. Negation R. So here next column is negation R. Then see the column R. Then from column R write down negation R. True become false and false become true. Yes, then you can easily make next column and try to make a truth table. Okay, yes, next question is using truth table prove the following logical equivalences. Observe here, show that LHS statement pattern is logically equivalent RHS statement pattern. Means you have to show that entries in LHS statement patterns are same as entries in RHS statement pattern. Okay, so observe the question. You have to show that logical equivalence by using truth table. Okay, first, yes, P and Q logically equivalent. Negation in bracket P implies negation Q. Okay, so observe first statement pattern. Yes, in this statement pattern there are two statement letter P, Q. Then any negation term is present? Yes, negation Q. So third column is negation Q. Yes, over. Then go to the LHS statement pattern. We want P and Q. So make next column number 4 P and Q. Then go to the RHS statement pattern. Make column number P implies negation Q. And lastly, take the negation of P implies negation Q. This is represent our RHS statement pattern in column number 6. Yes, observe column number 4. Yes, observe this column number 4 and then observe column number 6. Yes, the entries in these columns are identical. Hence, complete the answer. P and Q logically equivalent, negation in bracket. P implies negation Q. Then you have to got full 3 marks. If you prepare only truth table, then to got only 2 marks. So what is our question? Show that statement patterns are logically equivalent. So show the entries are identical. Okay. Next, P double implication Q logically equivalent. P and Q or in bracket negation P and negation Q. Observe there are two statements later P Q. Yes, we want negation P, so column number 3 is negation P. Then we want also negation Q, so column number negation Q. Okay, over. Then go to the LHS statement pattern. Yes, in LHS statement pattern, there is only P double implication Q. So write column number 5, P double implication Q. See column number P, then column number Q and take double implication. Means if and only if both values are same, then it is true, otherwise false. Yes, over. Then go to the RHS statement pattern. Yes, which column we have to select here? P and Q. Then write down P and Q and TTT, otherwise false. Yes, then we select next column negation P and negation Q. See the column negation P, negation Q and take and between them TTT, otherwise false. And then in the say 8 number column, whole statement pattern of RHS P and Q or negation P and negation Q. So take the disjunction between P and Q, negation P and negation Q. Yes, disjunction or FFF, otherwise true. So C T T F T. Yes, see T F T F F F F F F F T T, because or is there. F F F, otherwise true. Okay. So what's your observation? LHS statement pattern present in 5 number column and RHS statement pattern present in 8 number column. So entries in column number 5 and 8 are identical. Hence, therefore, P double implication Q logically equivalent. P and Q or in bracket negation P and negation Q. So there is a correction we want here and. Okay. Then next. Yes, observe this statement pattern. First observation is important because here we have to select we want 4 column rows, yeah, 8 rows. Yes, so P Q R, there are 3 statement letters, so there are 8 rows. Okay, so P is always 4 times T, 4 times F. Q is always 2 times T, 2 times F. R is always alternate. TF, TF. Okay. I think then you have to construct the truth table. Okay. And then see the entries. Yes. Entries in the column. Okay. In column number, our statement LHS statement pattern present in column number 5 and RHS statement pattern present in column number 7. So observe the entries are same. Yes, so the given statement patterns are logically equivalent. Complete it. Then you have got full marks. Yes, next you have to try yourself. Next statement pattern, show that logically equivalent. Show that entries are identical. Using truth tables, examine whether each of the following statement is a tautology or a contradiction or a contingency. Yes, just to see the definition of tautology, contradiction as well as contingency. Okay, let's revise. Tautology means in a last column, in a statement pattern, last column, all entries are T, then it is a tautology. If all entries are F, then it is a contradiction. If the entries in the last columns are mixed, T as well as F, then it is contingency. Okay. See. Yes, nothing is different. Only one more question is added there. First, as it is, prepare a truth table. Yes, after preparing truth table, see the entries in the last column. Yes, entries in the last column all are F. So definitely it is a contradiction. Okay. Then also again here same, prepare truth table of the given statement pattern. Two statement later P, Q. P is always 2 times T, 2 times F. Q is alternate TF, TF. Yes, which negation term we want here? Negation Q. So make a column for negation Q. Then P implies negation Q. What is next column? P and in bracket P implies negation Q. And last is whole statement pattern P and P implies negation Q implies Q. Okay. So remember, in implication order is important. T implies F, F otherwise true. So truth values in the last columns are not identical. They are mixed T, F, hence it is contingency. Okay, I think you have to understand how to prepare a truth table. Then show that statement patterns are logically equivalent. And last, tautology, contradiction and contingency. Okay.